A'udhu billahi minash shaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. क्या था? Hamza Zabra.
No, it is not Hamza because Hamza
Oh yeah.
does not join with the upcoming word. Hamza is always separate, and this you can see is joined.
Ain.
Yes, this is Ain, Shabash.
Ain Zabra.
Is it alone or it has to carry
Ain
someone?
Ain Lam Zabr.
No. This cannot be Lam.
Alif.
Yes. And why it cannot be Lam? Because when Lam is separate, Lam is in its complete shape like this. And as you can see, this is not complete, so this is Alif.
Oh. Ain Alif Zabr.
Yes.
Dal Dul Zer Din.
Yes.
Adin.
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 Waqufan.
Wakufan.
Ad.
Ad.
Okay, then.
Okay. Ain Zabr.
Shabash.
Uh, uh, Alif Kara Zabr.
Now this is not Alif because you can see this is attached from the both sides. It is attached with Ain and also attached with Ya, and Alif is always separate from its ending point. Alif can be joined with something that is before Alif, but Alif can never join and can never be attached to something that is after Alif. Okay, and and this cannot be Alif because it is attached with the afterward letter as well. So what is this?
Lam.
Yes, this is Lam. Okay.
Ain Lam.
Ain Zabara.
Ain Zabra.
Yes.
Lam Kara Zabr La.
Yes.
Do you have the Ya?
No, like we didn't add Ya when we were reading, I think, which one? When we were reading Tagha. Yes, this one. Let me show you this one. Do you remember we didn't add Ya and we dropped it? We just did not mention it.
Oh yeah.
Yes, this is because when standing Zabar comes at the end, when standing Zabar comes at the end, at that time they put Ya at the end of the word, and this is something that belongs to the Arabic writing style. So we cannot just leave writing it. It has to be written, but not to be mentioned during the hijja. Okay.
Okay. Okay. But when how alif?
This one, let me. You are asking about this one.
Ji.
Yes, this is alif of the plural. This again belongs to the grammar, Arabic grammar. Okay, so
Okay.
this is the sign of plurality, that they are talking about many male uh, subjects who did something, and they are mentioning that the doers of the action were more than one people, and they all were male, the men. So this is the sign of the plurality, the male plurality. So this belongs to grammar. And again, this is something that belongs to the grammar and the writing. So they must write it. So we cannot drop in writing, but we don't mention during the hijja. Okay, come on. So we were here. Ala lam kala zabar la.
Oh, um, Lam kara zabila ala
Waqfan ala.
wakufan ala mukata ain zabar a
Ain ya zabar ay. This is saakin. Hello?
ain zabar a
Ain ya zabar ay.
ain ya zabar ay um noon do pesh
Nun do pesh nun.
noon do pesh noon um anun
Ainun.
ain
Ainun.
ain
Ain un नहीं बेटा, ainun nun.
ain
Waqfan.
wakufan
What?
ain
Waqfan ain.
wakufan ain. 8 seconds. So these two be like the same, like they're both the same. Like let's do this one. Like ain zabar a
Ain alif.
ain ali nahi ye wala
Ain lam. Sorry, ain zabar a, lam kala zabar la.
ain zabar a lam kara zabar la ala wakufan ala.
Ji.
And same as this one. The wakufan is like the same.
Yes, ala before waqfan and after waqfan will remain same. No change whatsoever.
Um, fa zabar fa ya zerfi.
Shabash. So you captured this point. MashaAllah. Okay.
Uh,
Again, fa ya zir fi.
fa ya zerfi. Uh, Swords, there's
This is not sword.
what?
No. We can find this shape. Wait. Trying to show you. This one. We found this shape before in the same chapter. What was this? Baz Erbi and then
Ha?
yes. Ha khadi zer hi. So this is ha. Now look, in today's lesson, here we are.
G.
Faya zirfi and then what should it be?
Uh, um, एक second. How's there he?
Yes. Fihi.
فيه وقوفا fire.
No. Fihi. Waqfan. Fi.
Fee.
Again. Read it again. Faya zirfi.
Um, fire. There fee. How there he? Fihi. وقوفا
Fihi.
فيه وقوفا في
Fi.
فيه
Yes. Next.
वो क्या था कॉफ जबर को लाम जबर ला
Is qaf
काला
alone?
काला
No. You have to do hijja again.
oh yeah the ones then 8 seconds the ones then don't got the ये वाला sign how do we know we do hijja
Actually, hijja is the spelling. We do hijja for the whole thing. Whatever we read nowadays, we need the practice of hijja. So we spell the word and then we read it all together. Okay, so the hijja does not belong to this sign. Okay,
oh I thought
when we say ain zabar a, lam kala zabar la, so this is hijja. We are doing the spelling of the word. Okay. Now this is jazm sign. This is jazm, and when jazm comes, the harf, the letter which carries the jazm is a saakin letter. Like ya in this example, ya is the saakin because ya has jazm. Okay, so fa
okay
ya zir fi. Now you read Ola and you missed one thing, so you need to read it again so that we can correct.
fa zabar fa नहीं कॉफ जबर को
No, only qaf, or qaf is going to carry someone with it.
किधर
In this one, qaf will not go alone. Rather, qaf has his younger brother here, and he has to take him with. So do hijja properly. Qaf.
Qaf zabar ko.
Nahi beta. Alif is always dependent, like we did here. Ain, alif zabar a. Ain will not go alone. Alif says, भाई रुको रुको मुझे साथ लेके जाओ. Okay?
Okay.
So alif needs someone who can take care of it, because alif is saakin, like this ya. When something is saakin, that thing needs the letter before it to rely on that letter. Like we said fa ya zer fi. So fa is not going to go alone, because fa has the responsibility to take care of the sakin after that. Likewise, alif is always sakin, so the word that has haraka, the letter that has harakat before alif has to carry alif. So qaf, alif zabar qa, and not qaf zabar qa.
Qaf alif zabar ko.
Yes.
Kol.
Qaf alif zabar qa.
Qaf alif zabar ko.
Lam zabar la.
Lam zabar la.
Qala.
Kola.
Waqfan.
Waqufan.
Qal.
Qal.
Read it again. First do hijja and then rama.
Uh, Qaf alif zabar ko. Lam zabar la.
Yes.
Kola. Waqufan. Kala.
Waqfan qal.
Waqufan. Qal.
Okay, so this was today's lesson, and you got confused in alif and in huruf sakin, jazm. So what is the formula? Can you explain? When a
Farm.
word, when a letter needs the support from the previous one, how can you describe this?
Um, by seeing the jazm sign.
And sometimes you don't have jazm sign and still the letter is sakin. So the key factor is being sakin. The key factor is being what?
Saakin.
Sakin. And sometimes there is an indication of being sakin, and that indication is jazm. Okay. And
Okay.
sometimes the letter is just sakin without any sign, without any indication. So the causative factor basically is being sakin.
Saakin.
So huruf madda are always sakin, alif is always sakin, and rest those letters which carry jazm, they are sakin. So the sakin needs the support from the previous harakat, zabar, zir or pesh. Okay?
Okay.
This was from Qaida today. Mm, Subhanallah.